What's up guys, welcome back to Money Academy. In this video, I'll show you how I made over $18,000 selling these new digital products. It's weird how sometimes the things that end up changing your life start out looking like nothing at all. Oftentimes, it's just a random idea or something you don't even take seriously at first. Nobody tells you when they're figuring it out. They don't broadcast the late nights, the 30 browser tabs, the cringe first tries, or that weird combo of excitement and imposter syndrome you feel when something actually starts working. I didn't either. At least not until people started asking me, wait, what are you doing differently? The truth is, I wasn't doing the usual. I wasn't drop shipping, using affiliate links, or pitching my soul on Fiverr for $5 gigs. Surprisingly, I was doing something way simpler, way more scalable, and honestly, kind of underrated. I started selling digital products, a very specific kind, and they took off, like quietly at first, and then all at once. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I made over $18,000 selling these products. Let's talk. Number 1, selling AI prompts. First, I didn't start by trying to invent some crazy complicated product. I thought about the one thing I always struggled with, getting unstuck. Writers get stuck, marketers get stuck, creatives get stuck. What if I made something that broke that freeze? That's when the prompts clicked. Your job is to create specific, actionable prompts that cut through that freeze. Not vague stuff, but prompts like describe your product using only sensory words or pitch your service like you're talking to your best friend. Once you have a solid list, bundle those prompts into neat packs, maybe 50 prompts for social media marketers, another set for freelance writers, and then turn them into easy-to-use PDFs, downloadable and simple. Now, where to sell? Etsy is gold for digital downloads. People already browse there looking for tools and inspiration, so setting up a shop is straightforward. Write product descriptions that speak directly to the pain points your audience has. Something like, stuck on what to post. These prompts will fill your content calendar for weeks. Keep pricing affordable, around $7 to $10 per pack. The goal here is to create volume. Then, promote on Instagram or Twitter by sharing free samples or sneak peeks. Invite your audience to comment for more. This builds real buzz and gets people interested without feeling pushy. Besides, don't just stop at one pack. Make sure you keep adding new prompts based on what your audience wants. That's how you keep people coming back and growing your sales steadily. Number 2, selling digital products in online business clubs. If you're part of an online business club, you don't need to shout for attention like you're on TikTok. You already have it. You're inside the community. You're one of them. So instead of broadcasting to strangers, you just quietly drop value. Here's what that looked like. Say someone's stuck trying to build a lead magnet. That's when you can share a high-converting Canva template you made. But it doesn't have to be a sales pitch. Keep it casual. Hey, this helped me streamline my opt-ins last week. Let me know if you want a copy. 10 minutes later, people will likely start DMing you. Oh wait, this is awesome. Are you selling this? Yes, you are. Consider this simple strategy. Make something simple and targeted, like a Notion dashboard, a content calendar, a pricing calculator, whatever your niche nerds out over. Host it on Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or even Google Drive plus Stripe if you want to keep it bootstrapped. When someone in the group hits a problem your product solves, you show up, you help, you share, and you let curiosity do the rest. The good thing is, the trust is already there because you're co-learning. You're in the same digital foxhole, building alongside them, and that's the unfair advantage. Besides, these communities are usually hyper-specific, which means your product doesn't need to be for everyone. It just needs to nail one problem for this group. That's it. Number 3, selling custom AI voiceovers. You know those ultra-slick, buttery smooth voiceovers you hear in Reels and YouTube intros? The kind that makes even the most boring script sound like it belongs on Netflix? Yeah, those can be AI now. Let me tell you how you can turn custom AI voiceovers into actual income without a studio or radio voice. All you need is a solid AI tool, something like 11 Labs or Murph AI. These tools let you create realistic, emotionally expressive voices. Once you create one, click Use and enable discovery in the voice library. You can package it smartly for different people. For content creators, offer voiceovers for Reels, UGC ads, podcast intros, or Faceless YouTube videos. For businesses, turn their blog posts into engaging audio. Give them branded explainer voiceovers they can drop into their landing pages. For educators, convert their course scripts into narrated lessons that sound pro. You can create a pitch that says something like, "Let me give your content a voice." Literally. You can even niche down. Be the luxury brand voice guy, or the friendly explainer girl, or the dark cinematic narrator person. AI gives you dozens of voices to work with. Clone one, tweak the tone, play with accents, and once you nail the vibe, it becomes your signature. Now, where do you sell this? Easy. Inside online communities, like the business club I mentioned earlier, on Twitter or LinkedIn with samples, or create a simple landing page that says, "You write it, I'll voice it." AI-enhanced human feel built for your brand. You know what's funny? I didn't plan any of this. Like, I didn't sit down one day and say, I'm gonna sell prompts or custom voiceovers are my thing. I just noticed stuff. Noticed people struggling with tiny problems and thought, wait, I could actually fix that. And that's all a digital product really is. A solution, but in a downloadable form. So if this video made you sit back for a second and go, I could actually try this. Good. That's literally why I made it. You don't need to change your whole life overnight. Just start with one weird idea that helps someone and see what happens. Anyway, hit like if this gave you an idea worth stealing and drop a comment if you want me to break down the next one I'm working on. And if you're serious about getting started, don't miss my other video. I found a new YouTube automation niche to make money online in 2025, where I break down the entire process that took me from 0 to 5 figures in just 1 month. Go check it out now, and I'll see you there. Peace out.